Hey guys, welcome to Long Nips. Today I'll be showing you how to remove your Google account from your Google Chrome. And now let's dive right in. Now to remove your Gmail account or your Google account from the Google Chrome itself, make sure to log into the account which you want to remove, as I have already logged in or chosen currently over here. And after you are on the Google Chrome like this, you can just simply go to google.com or just gmail.com if something rather than this type of screen is popping out on your screen. And you can also log out from over these platforms. You can see these all are same. You will get the same uh, options available for you, but except for the Gmail. And with that being said, at the top right corner of the screen on the google.com, your account will open like this, and there is the sign out button available for you. First, sign out of your account, and let's close this because the process is same on both of these. So we'll not continue with Gmail. Just click on continue, and then you will be signed out from your Google Chrome. And now to remove your account permanently from the Chrome you're using, you can again click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen, and it will display all of the accounts used in your Google Chrome, and you will be able to remove it from over here where it says the remove an account. Simply click over there and a minus sign will appear at the right side of the accounts. So click on that red sign like this, and it says remove account no longer be used with Google service on this browser. Sign in again when you're ready to use your account again. Click on S remove, and this account will be permanently removed from the Google Chrome. And when we reload it on this tab, you can see currently there is no icon because it has been removed from the computer or the Google Chrome. And guys, this is how you remove your Gmail account or your Google account from the Google Chrome permanently. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.